What's going on, everybody? How are we doing? I hope you're doing well. Well, we're taking a little drive today. I don't know about you guys, but I'm constantly looking at Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace for free items and thinking, how can I use these items in my fish room or in my garden? And today we came across a pretty good one. We got some good items that we can use in our garden, so we're on our way. I'll show you in a little bit. Well, we got what we needed. Let's head home and we'll discuss what we're gonna do with these. All right, we're back. So I'm just got to do a little bit to use the part that we need. So if you guys use your imagination, what do you think we're going to use these for? That's right. We're going to take these domes off here. Those are nice little greenhouses to start your like tomatoes and peppers outside. You put those on your plants while it's still cold and get a little head start on your plants. They work awesome. So now I just got to take all the hoods off all of them. And then the rest, actually, we got a buddy that works at a storage unit, and he has an auction coming up, so that'll be perfect. We can put these in a unit, and we can auction them off. Let's get to the work. So we're all done. We got 20 of them. So as you can see, these work out perfect for a nice little greenhouse, a little dome to put over an individual plant or cluster of plants. Come spring, you put that down.
Some radishes.
Your tomatoes will definitely have a head start. Well. That is for sure.
Mostly radishes.
So I do have a wheelbarrow full of light fixtures that I have to get rid of. But like I said, a week from now, those will be gone in an auction. So next time you guys are looking at Craigslist or Facebook, start looking at that free section. And get your mind turning and see how you could use that item. Until next time, happy growing. Peace.